Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues on this one. However, from more of a bigger picture standpoint, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have maybe watched past videos, but even if you haven't, I've talked about this green line here quite a bit. That representing an area of support. And to give full credit where credit's due, even with the pullback, look right where the pullback not only stopped going down, but also got a little miniature bounce from it. Well, wouldn't you know it, right there at that $5.40 mark. So point here being that remains a very important level of support. And just from a kind of an overarching storybook perspective, good to see that the bulls were able to maintain above that level and continue to consolidate above it. So if you haven't connected those dots, moving into Friday and beyond, 540 definitely remains that key near-term level from the support side of things. Now, in the event the price were to go down to that level and break down through it, next key level of support after that would then be down there around $5.33. And then from definitely more so a bigger picture overarching standpoint, that's where the pink line comes into play. They're very well known. They're very famous 200 period moving average, which is currently valid at 527. Well, I'll admit that right now this level is not too relevant given the price is still above, 540, let alone the 533 mark. But, since it showed up on the screen, figured just quick mention it. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, so if there is going to be any sort of attempted movement back to get up to the highs in the 560s, well, before I really talk about anything in the 560s, the price first needs to prove itself by being able to get up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the well-known 50-period moving average. Current value of that is right there at $5.53. So these are going to be the main technical levels here headed into Friday. So let's see how this one decides to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.